Sis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Emantoni ACN and you're watching ACN TV here on YouTube. In today's video, we are about to style SHEIN hair. So I want to take you guys along with me. Yeah, this is my first time and this is my first video of me going to style a hair on YouTube, not on YouTube, on this channel. Yeah, I've not done it before and I've not done it for my entire life. So this is my first time. I said, okay, let me try it with you guys on camera. So the hair I'm about to style, I'm about to style is from SHEIN. Yeah, so I will show you. This hair is so beautiful, so beautiful. So before we get into styling the hair, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly smash the red subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I'm posting, you will be notified. And also feel free to join my membership. Is on and you'll see the join button on the screen. Just click and join. And also feel free to use the super thanks and thank me for this beautiful video. Yeah, I will call this video like a beginner friendly because I'm also a beginner in styling of the hair. So I'm also a beginner, I'm also learning. So please, in case you notice I didn't do it well, let me know in the comment section so that I can know how to do it next time. So let's get into the video. I have here my wig cap. This wig cap came with the hair, the wig. So this is the wig. It's a short coily wig. I've already washed it, so it's now for us to style it. So pin, yeah, I have my hair pins, I have my brush, I have this to trim the lace, and I have my concealer brush for the, I don't know if I'm going to pat the hair. So I have my scissors, I have my foundation brush, and I have this glue from Amazon. I got this glue from Amazon. Also have my band inside this container. This Cantu Shea Butter Hair Natural Comeback Coil the next day. So this container from Cantu is contain of water and a little bit of the comeback coiling. So I think it's sticky enough, so we start. Did I just spoil something here? Okay, so I would like to start from the front. And put it in place. Tray. Then I will tie it down. Hair wrap. Is it hair wrap they call it? So I got this from Amazon. I don't know how it will come out, but let's keep finger crossed. I made it. I think I made it.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
So beauties, this is the final look. This is the final look of me styling SHEIN hair. Yeah, and this is my first time. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I'm posting, you will be notified. So I hope you guys like this hair. The hair is short, so comfortable, 100%, and yeah, I like it. Okay, now this baby here, I try a lot. I tried, but at least it came out very good. Let me turn the back for you guys to see how it look like, how short. You can style this hair anyhow. You can choose to, to do something like this. You can choose to pack it up. You can choose to leave it. You can choose to bring it to this side. You can choose to take it all the way to this side. So it's easy to rock. It's easy, very easy to rock. So let me show you guys the back side, then we end this video. The back side, can you guys see how short it is? I hope you guys are still seeing me. Yeah. So this is how short it is. Yeah. A little bit so. It's so comfortable. Only need water and you spray it and your coils is back. So this is where I'm going to end this video. See you guys on my very next one. Bye.